Happy morning to all. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in Sandila Sri Vasi English Medium School, third year. Today we are going to tell about types of government. Government means the people who makes laws, maintain order and works for the development and safety of the government. Main functions of government: make laws, create rules for people to follow, main law and order. Police and courts keep peace, provide services, schools, hospitals, roads, water, electricity, protect the country. Army, Navy and Air Force develop the country, improve people's lives. Types of government:
Central government, union government, state government, local government. The central government controls the country of India. It makes important national decisions like defense, forcing affairs and national currency, railways and national law. It works mainly from New Delhi. Main leaders: Prime Ministers of India, President of Ministers, Council of Ministers, Members of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. State government. Each state in India has its own government. India has 28 states and 8 unique territories. The state government manages matters like education, agriculture, health, police, and local development. Main leaders: Governor, Chief Ministers, Council of Ministers, Members of Legislative Assemblies, MLAs. Example: Government of Andhra Pradesh. Local government. The local government works at the villages, towns and city levels. It solved local problems like roads, water supply, sanitation, street lights and local schools. Types of local government: Panchayati from villages, municipality from towns, municipal corporation from big cities. This system is called Panchayati Raj system.